Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring power and storage are ready. Press the power/mode button to wake the GoPro. Once the screen is active, make sure the camera is in video mode. You should see the red recording icon or video label. If it's in photo or time-lapse, press mode until video appears. You do this because stopping a recording only works when the camera is actively in video mode. Preparing now avoids delays or accidental mode changes during capture. You stop recording by pressing the shutter/select button once. This immediately tells the GoPro to finalize and close the current video file. Once done, watch the front LED and rear LCD for the stop confirmation and file finalizing message. The camera may take a few seconds to finish writing the file to the SD card. If you used voice control, make sure to speak the exact phrase clearly into the microphone, so the GoPro recognizes you complete the process by checking playback to confirm the clip saved. If the file is still finalizing, make sure you wait rather than ejecting the SD card. Once confirmed, transfer via the GoPro app or USB. This ensures integrity. If the camera won't stop or shows writing endlessly, remove power by pulling the battery, wait 5 seconds, reinsert and power up. This often clears a stalled write. If problems persist, test the SD card on a computer to rule out corruption.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.